Let's see if this works. I put a chain in here, big old toe chain. It's all rusty with some vinegar. And I'm going to put some more of these chains. Supposedly it'll take the rust off. I'm a little skeptical, but I got some 9% vinegar. I'm just going to cover these and supposedly leave them covered for 6 days. I'm sure they're all covered. Here we go. 6 days later, let's see if it had any effect. Ooh, it stinks. Ooh, that's nice. That worked well. Look at that. That's crazy. I was thinking I'd have to build an electrolysis bucket, but that came out nice. There's still a little on there. I'm going to get the hose out, rinse it off. See how it really took that stuff off. Just stained my hands. I moved everything to the end of the driveway so I can blow that stain off into the grass quicker. I didn't want the vinegar to come down into the grass. I let it go down in the cracks of the driveway to kill the grass. I'm going to let them dry a little bit and then put a little oil on them so they don't start rusting immediately. Must be that chain that had the black stuff on it. Took 6 days. I may still build an electrolysis bucket because it will work in a couple hours. I don't have to wait so long. But since I bought the cheapo vinegar and I have some tools, I may put some tools in this bucket, see if it'll work on them also. I got another bucket started. I got some pliers. Trying not to put the plastic handle in there. I don't know if the vinegar will mess with that. Ooh, that stinks. A hammerhead. And I got some big tree cutting shims. Got that tool. I'll let that soak for a while. Ooh, yikes. A bubbly mess there. Ooh, that's nice and clean. as goop. Oh, look at that. That's cool. It does produce some nasty goop. I put that on some mulch and the weeds in the flower bed, not on the driveway. Now I'm just gonna put these some soap water, wash them off, and dry them off, and put some WD-40 on them. You did a good job. Look at that. There's a little staining on here, but this is amazing. I don't think I damaged anything. Look at that old tool. Multi-socket wrench. Okay, I'm going to dry them off now. Here we go. I'm dried off, sprayed them down. Looks like new metal for the most part. No discoloration right there, but that's incredible. Okay, I'm going to sit for a minute and I'll dry them off. Finished. Two days soaking. Cool. You can see a couple months later, this little wedge. It's nice and clean. Most of the rust is gone. I'd say a good 90-something%. And you can see my driveway still stained. When I poured that vinegar rust solution. Oh my gosh. Well, invented a way to stain your driveway with vinegar and rust so you don't have to buy expensive stain. It's starting to wear off. We haven't had a lot of rain since I cleaned this equipment, but it'll eventually wear off. Lady's not too impressed with it, but that's a mark of DIY right there. So actually thought about staining the rest of it. It used to be that color. Kind of bleached out over time. Live and learn.